Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here on a beautiful July day, nice hot day here in Kitchener. We specialize in move-in and move-out cleanings in the Tri-Cities. Today we're doing an empty unit, nylon, of a move-out. A lot of stains that we have to work with, but I just wanted to show our setup and how we are going to tackle this job here today. So first we start with our Protein commercial vacuum cleaners with HEPA filters. We also have our backpack pre-spray. We use Black Label from Truck Mount Forums, and then sometimes we'll even boost that with Power Burst from ProCam, or actually what we're going to use today is our E-Steam Attack, just for a little extra boost. Got lots of spotters to work with because we will be taking care of a lot of different types of spots today, from paint, oil, and grease, and we also have spray and walk away, all kinds of different spotters to go at. But I really want to tell you about our Rotovac system. So this here is a Rotovac Bonzer. We use the Rotovac 360i as well as the Rotovac Bonzer, just depending on the job. But this has 7 jets and 2 vacuum slots, so much more powerful than your typical wand that most companies use. And of course with the sight tube we can see when we're getting all of the soiling out, and does a far superior job. So if you're looking for any move-in, move-out cleanings, give us a call. You can call us at 519-208-8533, or just visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.